So what we got here is I have 4 center cut pork chops, bone in, and probably about an inch and a half thick. So this is what we got going on right now though, okay? So I was gonna do my own seasoning and my wife was like, no, don't do that. So I was like, okay, what do you want to put on them? So she decided that she was gonna pick something from the cabinet that we use on ribs sometimes. And so I'm gonna season 2 of them like that, all right? And I'm gonna season 2 of them with my own spice that I made. And what this has in it is it's Ancho Chili Powder, it has New Mexico chili powder in it, fresh ground cinnamon, pepper, salt, and and brown sugar. And I'll give you the exact amounts in the video. But so let's go ahead and start seasoning. I want to get them on the grill. It's getting a little late, so I need to get started, get these on the grill and get them back, okay? So, because we got to get them up to about 145 to make sure that they're cooked all the way. So let me get started and I'll see you after the grill.
And I think mine is gonna be better. And if not, I still can eat one of his.
Let's get them on the grill. So first things first, put a little bit of olive oil in your glove. Then you're gonna rub your hand together and then you're gonna wipe both sides of your pork chop just very lightly. And then you're going to season your pork chops very generously on both sides. Next, take them out to the grill and you're going to sear them over the direct heat to put a crust on them. After that, take them off the direct heat and then you're gonna cook them for another 7 minutes at 400 degrees until you reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. So for these beautiful grilled pork chops, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a cranberry-mango relish, and it's gonna be decadent. It's gonna make it taste sweet with that pork. And the first thing we wanna do is we're gonna start with a medium pan on medium heat. Melt 1.5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So you want to finely dice half of a small red onion. I only had a large, so I used part of a half of a large onion. Add your onions to the pan. Then you're going to add your 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. And cook these onions until they're soft, about 3 to 4 minutes. While your onions are cooking, go ahead and zest 1 orange until you get 1 tablespoon of orange zest. Add your 2 tablespoons of packed light brown sugar. Then you're going to add your 1 tablespoon of orange zest. And then you're going to add your 1 cup of orange juice. What you're going to do is you're going to cook this mixture until all of the sugar melts and the mixture slightly thickens. It's going to be about 5 to 7 minutes that's going to take. So your first 5 to 7 minutes is up. Now you're going to add half of your cranberries into the pan. You're going to cook this another 5 to 7 minutes. You're going to start hearing the cranberries pop. Don't be alarmed, that's normal. Just keep cooking. So now that 5 to 7 minutes is up, you're going to add the other half of the cranberries into your pan. And you're going to cook this for another 5 minutes only and then remove it from the heat. So empty your cranberries into a medium bowl. You're going to set it aside, let it cool down to room temperature. Then you can go ahead and get started on cutting up your mango that you're going to add to it. So add your diced mango to your cranberry mixture, and then you're going to go ahead and give that a whirl with a spoon. And then there you go. You have cranberry mango relish. Let it cool down to room temperature though. That's what you want to serve it at on the plate for the pork chop. All right, so we've finished the pork chops. Got a nice sear on them. I have the one that I did my seasoning on, and then there's the one that she did her seasoning on. I think mine has a lot more color. It looks really good. I haven't tried it yet. We haven't tried it, but we're about to do a taste test. This right here is our cranberry mango relish that we made to go with the pork. So you kind of have bitter, sweet, the New Mexico chili powder, the Ancho Chili Powder, the brown sugar. It's kind of, you know, bitter, sweet, pork, sweet, you know, so a big mix of flavors here. So let's see how it turned out. If hers turned out better with the relish or by itself. Let's see. Go ahead and try your pork chop. Just your pork chop.
I think mine is gonna win.
How's the pork look?
Looks cooked all the way.
Good. Juicy, tender. Honest.
It's missing a little bit of flavor. The seasoning I picked out. Yeah.
Does the relish make a difference? Do it with the relish. Take a bite with the relish. Help your pork chop or no?
It's good, but I think it overpowers it. Cause like I said, mine is missing a little bit of a
Here, try mine.
flavor for the seasoning.
Try mine.
But the meat itself, it's very good. It's very tender. It's cooked all the way, and it still has like, it's very juicy still. So it's not dry at all. I don't want to say it, but I think I lost this battle. Yeah, that one is really good. I definitely like the relish. It's really good. And I even think you could make this for like Thanksgiving.
I think she underplayed mine. It's really, really good. But I think if you were to do this for like Thanksgiving or something like that, it may go good, right? Because you have so many different flavors, mixing it with the turkey, mixing it with the stuffing, things like that. So I wouldn't be able to do this without having a great wife. So hey, thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. And if you subscribe, you know, it makes us feel real good. We've had a lot of good comments, and hey, keep watching us. This has been Sabrosito Cooking, and I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.